we're now here again sa airport, and for today's vlog, we're going to Cebu. Yeah, tagal na namin hindi nakabalik ng Cebu, and this is gonna be a tour. Nag-rent kami ng van, and basically ng tour sa Cebu kasama yung mga kapatid nila and yung kanilang mga girlfriends and partners. So we're just waiting for them. We're now here in Terminal 2. Update pala guys, lahat pala ng domestic flight ng AirAsia is now transferred to Terminal 2 from, I think, from Terminal 3 or Terminal 4, Terminal 2 na sila ngayon. Parang July 31 lang siya na bago. Kaya medyo na-confused pa ako kahapon kasi doon sa itinerary na print nung last Feb pa, Terminal 3, pero doon sa boarding pass na kuha ko nung chinek in is Terminal 2. Buti na lang, chinek ko siya kahapon. But anyway, we're here. We're waiting for our flight. Our flight is around 7:55 a.m. It's just 5:30 a.m. Maaga kami dumating dito sa airport para mag-chill and Netflix. And we'll see you in Cebu, guys. See ya! So, hindi naman tayo madalas dito sa Terminal 2, no? Kasi kadalasan ng flight natin, Terminal 3, no? Cebu pa, ganyan. Parang second time ko parang dito sa Terminal 2. And napansin ko na the first time ko parang around 2019 yun, or 2018. Nag-improve yung airport nila. Nagkaroon ng mga parang aesthetics for peace dun sa departure ko. Kaya mas magandang ni-improve nila yung mga airport ko kasi pleasing siya sa mata. Although ang isa lang nakita ko dito sa Terminal 2 na pwedeng i-improve is yung selection ng food kasi ang kaunti as compared to Terminal 3. And syempre dahil airport to sobrang mamahal, unlike pag mga fast food, di ba, kung mga McDo, Jollibee, Chowking, or even yung mga convenience store, medyo standard yung price kung may tataas man konti lang. So, ayun yung magandang ma-improve sana dito sa terminal. Anyway, let's just wait for our flight. Welcome to our vlog. We're now here in the Queen City of the South. We are here in Cebu City, and we're here in front of the Capitolio of the Cebu Province. And nagka-picture lang tayo dito habang inaantay yung iba nating mga kasama para kumain ng lechon. So ngayon, tatry natin pumasok sa loob, kung pwede mag-tour sa loob kasi alam ko maganda rin sa loob yan eh. So tara, pasok tayo. So yan ang maganda nilang Capitolio. So try natin pumasok. Pumapasukin tayo. Bueno, pwede po umikot? Pwede kami umakyat? Okay lang. Ay, bawal? Ay, gano'n. Dati nakakayat kami. Pero sige.
May bayad?
Hindi, wala. May bawal pala. Sige, dito na lang tayo sa baba. Asan na ba sila? Oo, nag-vlog ko yan. Hi ka. Ayan, the House of Haya. Ayan. So, pinakita ko lang yung Capitolio. So, inaantay kasi yung mga kasama namin. Nasa airport pa. Kaya, dito sa, yung Rico's Lechon. Rico's Lechon. Hindi, Rico's Lechon. Pwede mo mag-jeep doon, Rico's Lechon. O grab lang. Okay. Sige. Okay lang. Thank you. Alright, so here's our food. One half lechon for 6 people. Hi naman kayo. Hi kayo guys. Ayan aking mga kasama dito sa vlog. Ayan, nasa Cebu kami ngayon. Ayan, so pansit of course. And then the regular lechon, the spicy lechon, and pakbet. Ay, sorry. So, tara, kain tayo guys. So, syempre, pag nasa Cebu ka,
Gravy.
walang gravy, ito ang sauce. Pag nasa Cebu ka, syempre hindi pwedeng hindi mo titikman ng lechon nila. So, nandito tayo, one of the famous lechon house here in Cebu, ang Rico's Lechon. So, tikman na natin ang kanilang lechon. As around 1,000, nasa 750 yung spicy nila, half kilo. Tapos mga 600 yung kanilang. Ipost ko na lang sa baba, dito yung menu nila para makita mo. So, tikman na natin ang lechon nila.
Mamaya sa usok.
To be honest, guys, we kind of expecting a lot sa Rico's Lechon because this is one of the famous lechon places in Cebu. They even have a branch here in Manila. But we were kind of disappointed because of the service, first of all. They weren't that courteous enough to serve us, although we understand that it was lunch, but they have fewer people to do the lunch service. And then secondly, the food. So although there are some part of the lechon that is okay naman, masarap naman siya, malasa, but generally their lechon is just like a normal lechon. And it wasn't the best that I've tasted. Their branch here in Manila is they serve much better lechon than in Cebu. So that's it. Just an opinion about Rico's Lechon.
Hello guys! So right after natin dun sa lechon, andito tayo ngayon sa National Museum here in Cebu and kakabukas lang nito last month. And not surprisingly kasi ang daming tao, ang daming estudyante na nag-field trip dito. So as usual, maganda yung quality ng museum na to kasi it was built by the National Museum. So itong building na to, ito yung dating Malacanang, the south of Cebu. Ngayon, ginawa nilang museum yung buong building. And maganda lang siya na puntahan kasi you will know the history of Cebu. For me, the highlight of this museum is the painting of the Battle of Mactan. Makita niyo sa second floor and marami nagpapapicture doon. So puntahan niyo yun kung nagpunta kayo dito sa Cebu. Pero bukod doon, marami pang mga exhibit dito, marami pang mga kayo makikita yung mga culture nila, yung mga sea culture, yung mga paintings, yung mga, marami mga pwedeng matutunan sa museum na ito. Alright, so bisitahin nyo to, free lang naman siya pag nagpunta kayo, walang bayad, kaya sulitin nyo na hanggat free pa ang pagpunta dito sa National Museum here in Cebu City. Alright, so see you guys in our next time. Hi guys! Dito tayo ngayon sa SMC side and nag-ikot lang tayo. Yung mga kasama natin ay may mga binili lang last minute errand for our trip that will start tomorrow. Maganda pala dito sa SMC side. Nakita namin yung Cebu Cordova Expressway link. Something like that. So, bukas na pupuntahan namin yun. Nandito kami sa parang nilang parang Sky Park to pag nasa nasa SM North, no, or Baywalk sa may seaside, sa may MOA. Pero wala mga laman yung mga
Wala pa.
tindahan dito. Wala pa mga laman.
Dito yung SM North, diba? Yung mga ganun din.
Ha?
SM North.
Alin?
Ano pa? Sa taas.
Oo, Sky. Yung
Ganun
Sky.
din, diba?
Oo, ganito din. Pero ito, walang mga tinda-tinda. Walang mga shops. So, nakanin lang natin tong kabuuan ng Sky Park ng Ocean, ng SM Seaside. Tapos, let's go back inside the mall. I think I'm gonna have some coffee or some tea. Anything that, would refresh. Bili pa na sila ng kanyang last minute errand din. Chinelas lang. Chinelas na parang sandals. So, ikot lang tayo dito, guys. So, excited for tomorrow. And after this, we're going to our hotel. We'll have some rest. Tapos, we're going to French Levy. Doon sa parang mga wine, ganyan. And then, dinner. And then, tomorrow na tayo. Okay, so tara. Samahan niyo kami dito. Tara! Hello guys! Update ko lang kayo. Nandito kami ngayon sa G Hotel. So, dito kami mag-stay for our first night. And before we proceed on our tour on our first day, parang unofficially first day ito, pero parang first day na rin namin kasi nga maaga kami dumating kanina. So, dito kami sa G Hotel and magpapahinga lang kami. Tapos mamaya pupunta kami sa French Levy, yung sikat dito na wine cellar or something. Tapos, two of our relatives darating pa dito sila Mau. Tapos, magdi-dinner kami sa Lechon. Tapos, end the night. Okay, so, pakita sa inyo mamaya yung sa mga wine sa French Levy. So, for now, pahinga muna tayo.
And because we felt that we have some energy left that day, we decided to go to Carbon Night Market and have some street food. So actually, the real reason is wala nang lechon sa House of Lechon because until 5 p.m. lang pala yung mga lechon doon, especially pagka weekend. So we decided to go here and indulge in some food. And we actually tasted tuslobua. So it's a pig's brain. Then sauteed with soy sauce, and then basically what you will do is you will dip your rice or your puso in that parang sauce, and then it's like a street food, a snacks. This is my reaction when I first tasted this.